Hello, this is Donald. I just wanted to create a quick video, give you a tour of SMS Lead Network, and basically with this system you'll be able to log in to your own setup of this system where you can actually send SMS on a daily basis, generating leads, for any opportunity that you decide to promote. So first thing you want to do is log into the system, and it's going to bring you to the control panel here where you can see how many SMS have actually went out for the day. So as of right now, I haven't sent any out yet for this month or even today. So so the screen, everything's set to 0 right now. And the way the system actually works is we actually use providers that actually send out the SMS. This is the actual the developing software that actually stores the SMS and actually sends through a company called Twilio. Twilio is actually just one of the various companies that you can use with the software. So basically what you would do is, once you purchase the software, we'll give you steps on how to go and set up a Twilio account. The account's free with Twilio, but you do have to pay for credits, basically text credits. So they're basically one of the cheapest ones that you can get on the internet, which is a penny per text. So for example, if you're trying to send 1,000 texts, it'll cost you $10. So the only thing with Twilio is they don't allow you to just come to their site and log in and start sending text. You actually have to develop your own software, and then you get an API key, and that allows you to connect to the software platform that actually sends your SMS. So that's basically what we have here with the SMS Lead Network. We're the platform that connects to the actual software that allows you to send out the text messages there, or the platform that allows you to send out the SMS. So basically here, I'm just going to give you a little tour of Twilio here. So you basically just log into your account, and you can do a few things here. You can actually purchase credits. So you basically just, the minimum you can purchase is $20 at a time. So you just load your account with a minimum of $20, which is about 2,000 text messages. In this case, I have $40 in here, so that's about 4,000 texts that I could actually send with that credit right there. So you want to do two things: load your balance and then purchase a phone number. So I actually already have, I think, 4 or 5 phone numbers. So once those numbers are purchased, I can then connect them to the software here and use those phone numbers as the send numbers. So that way you just have a variation of numbers, so that way you don't want one phone number to get blocked because you're sending out so much volume of SMS through one phone number. So that's why I have several phone numbers. Each phone number is $2 per month. So I believe it just deducts the $2 out of your balance. So and then you can also set it to recharge. So if you get down to $20, you can make it automatically charge another $20 if you want to. But that's optional if you want to do that also. So again, you come here, you have the API key, which is let's see, I believe over here in the settings. So you basically have the API key, and basically our programmer will actually come and set all this up for you once you order the actual software. So he basically connects the API key along with your account information to the software, and then once it's all set up, then you can actually come here and send out your campaigns whenever you want to. So I'm actually going to run through a actual campaign just to show you how simple it is. The first thing, once you log in, you click on My SMS, and then I have some SMS templates in place. So I just come here and click on SMS template, and right here I have some already in place here. So I'm just going to click edit so I can just show you here. So here's a little ad that I have in place. Need extra, earn an extra 1K to 3K a week sending text messages, easy and affordable to start, and then visit and then I have a link right here, and then of course reply to stop to end. So this is already in the system, so anytime I want to send, I just select this message from the drop down, and it's already in place, so I don't have to type it every time. So you can go through, type in 5, 10, or how many ever templates you want, and then have them available to send out from your system. And if you want to, you can even upload a list where you include their first name in the message. But in this case, I didn't do that because it's an extra step. So because a lot of times I'm just going to be sending one time through the list, it just makes it a lot fewer steps instead of uploading a list to the software. This way I just plug in the ad here, and then I can send this one over and over again. So over here, I'm gonna, now that that's in place, just gonna go to my SMS, and then click on send SMS. And over here, I'm just going to, you can actually send up to 250 contacts at one time, and that's actually not a software issue. It's actually a Twilio issue. To prevent spam, they basically have it limited. Okay, so Twilio actually has a limit of 250 per send, so therefore they pretty much cap you at how much you can send at one given time. So basically you come here, you put in the numbers you want to send, you select the number you want to send from right here, and then you select one of the templates. So I just selected this template from the drop down menu. Then I'm going to go here and select the numbers. Again, you just select 250 at one time. Normally I use Excel, but for some reason Excel's acting up right now, so I just use the notepad. Then I'm copying the numbers here, and then I always like to actually put my phone number, my cell phone, on the list also, so that way I'll get a notification, and then once I receive that notification, that lets me know it's done, and then I can go and send another 250. So I'm going to come right here, select one of my numbers, and then click send. So the process has started. Then they will actually show up here in the queue that they're being sent. I'm going to go back to the admin dashboard, and it kind of gives you a little snapshot as it's sending. So just now it's sent 17. Going to keep refreshing the page. 30, and then basically it'll go until it's complete. And then also I'll get a message on my cell phone, and then I just go back and do the next list of contacts. So I'll pause the video. It usually takes about 3 minutes to send out the 250, and then I come back and send another batch. Okay, so basically again, you just keep refreshing until the program is done sending. Okay, so I believe it's done. I only had about 100 and a little over 100 in there. Yep, just got it on my cell phone. So that's usually what I do. I put myself on the list also, and therefore I know that it's completed once I receive the text message also on my cell phone. So therefore, and then I usually sometimes put my Google Voice number on the list, which is right here, and it came right through. So then they click and then go right,
hi, my name is Joanna,
to your capture page. So that's basically how the system works. Again, you have the platform in place, and then you log in here whenever you want to send an SMS, and then you just copy 250 at a time, and you can go through, it probably take you like 10 minutes to send, 10-20 minutes maybe to send a few thousand. So you just basically wait the 2 or 3 minutes as it's sending the 250, and then you load up another 250 and send again. So it's an easy way to get a few thousand out. Last month I think I got about 10,000 out, so it definitely works well. So see right here, last month I sent out 10,587. So, and then so for this month, just 103 that I just did just now. So if you have any questions, be sure to contact me. The package, basically, you'll see a few different options below. You'll see one with just the platform, which does require a domain and hosting account, where we install the platform. Then our programmer will basically install and connect it to Twilio for you. So once he has it installed, you'll receive the login details, and basically you purchase, as many phone numbers as you like. The more the better. I mean, I would say at least 2 minimum. 2 to 4, or 2 to 6. Just basically just depending on the volume that you plan on sending. The bigger volume, basically, I would just suggest getting more numbers, so that way they come. That way your number won't get blocked, because you don't want a carrier to block you because they see so many messages coming through from the same phone number. So therefore, get several phone numbers if you plan on doing 10,000 a week, I would say. Or if you just plan on doing 10,000 a month, or smaller numbers, then I would suggest like I said, 2 to 4. And if you're doing higher numbers, you can go up from there. So that's basically the system. Again, after you order, you'll see a package with that comes with leads, and a package that's just the actual software install. And basically we install it for you on one domain, which again requires a domain name and a hosting account, and we'll get that done usually for you within 24 hours. And then after you order, of course, you'll see the steps to get your domain and hosting, and then the Twilio information. Then you just send everything up to us, and we'll get it installed and set up for you.